Hello everyone, my name is Tam and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a whole house speed clean with me. This is the day that we left to go to California, and I wanted to make sure that once we arrive back home, the house will be clean. So you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can wait and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get the cleaning.
But somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you.
I know you guys could not see my face when I pulled the pizza from under the bed, but I was shocked. Like, I could not believe that my boys left pizza under their bed, and on top of it, they're not supposed to be eating in their room, but I feel like they sneak everything in here.
You don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right. But somehow you make me change, like I'm better off.
While I was cleaning, I noticed that someone had a good old time on the walls and also the sockets. So I'm the type of person where if I see something, I have to clean it right then. I cannot go back to it. So you will see me cleaning all of the artwork off the walls.
I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with
All of it did not come off because I ran out of my magic erasers, but once I arrived back home, I got it all off.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you.
There are no new updates on the house, and we have not closed yet, But when we do close, I would love to go live on my channel so I can share that excitement with you guys and also answer all of your questions. So if this is something that you would like for me to do, just comment down below and let me know. I feel like we will be closing pretty soon, so just keep your fingers crossed.
No big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get.
If you have made it this far in the video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you've enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing and comment below so we can chat.
Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging and the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it.
The homeschool room and also my bedroom was the last rooms to clean. Reason being, my boys were in here playing and they were also in my room playing. When you clean your house, what is the last room you clean and why?
Stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? No. I'll be yours if you let me.
Some of you may have noticed, some may have not, but I changed the name of my channel. It is no longer Tamerica Shelly, it is At Home with Tam. This is a name that I have been thinking about over the past week or so, and I love it.
They've been rude to you, disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this whole house speed clean with me and it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Right.
love.